Did you know that the city of Cremona is also called the city of violins? And do you know what pizzoccheri, a very famous dish from Lake Como, are? Keep watching because today we'll walk you through the top 5-day trips from Milan, with tips and tricks on what to see and especially what to eat. Little tip here, the city of Cremona is really my favorite. Make sure to stick around till we cover that one. You'll thank me later. Ciao a tutti and welcome back to the Italianforawhile channel, your go-to destination for all things Italy. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your learning experience in Italy. Today, we're leaving the chaotic city life of Milan behind to explore some of the hidden gems that the north of Italy has to offer. First destination, let's go to Bologna. Bologna is a foodie paradise in the Emilia-Romagna region, just 1 hour away by train from Milan. This city is very famous for its rich history, well-preserved medieval architecture, and of course, mouth-watering cuisine. Imagine yourself strolling through the city's ancient streets. They're full of elegant and beautiful porticos. Once there, make sure to visit Piazza Maggiore and the two towers, symbol of Bologna's medieval past. If you're a history buff, Bologna won't disappoint you. You can explore the University of Bologna, which is one of the oldest ones in the world, and soak in all the intellectual legacy of the city. You can also immerse yourself in very beautiful museums that showcase everything from ancient artifacts to modern art. But there's more than culture and history awaiting for you in Bologna. The city is a true heaven for food enthusiasts. Get ready to taste specialties such as mortadella, the crescentine fritte, which are fried dough balls, or the tagliatelle al ragù, which are pasta ribbons with bolognese sauce. Another special dish here are the tortellini in brodo, small ring-shaped pasta, usually filled with meat and served in a savory broth. One pro tip here, before eating them, make sure to put a lot of grated Parmesan cheese on top. The second day trip that we strongly recommend you is Pavia. Situated just 30 minutes away from Milan by train, Pavia is a charming town situated on the banks of the Ticino River. Make sure to include it in the list of your day trips to enjoy its medieval charm, scenic landscape and architectural wonders. Once there, take some time to wander through the city. It's full of elegant buildings and churches. Make sure to visit the Certosa di Pavia, a stunning monastery renowned for its very famous architecture and scenic gardens. For a touch of history then, explore the Castello Visconteo. It is a medieval fortress that offers a panoramic view of the city and of the surrounding countrysides. Then to finish off, make sure to take a leisurely stroll across the famous covered bridge, also called Ponte Coperto. And of course, no adventure in Italy is complete without trying the local cuisine. Pavia offers a lot of delicacies, such as, for example, the risotto alla certosina, which is a creamy sausage and mushroom risotto, or the ossobuco, which are braised veal shanks. For dessert then, make sure to try la torta del paradiso, which is a light and fluffy almond cake. Moving on to our next destination, what about some lakeside beauty? Our next suggestion for a day trip to Milan is Italy's largest lake, Lake Garda. With just a 1.5 train ride from Milan, Lake Garda awaits you with crystalline waters, picturesque villages, and green landscapes. Once arrived, we really suggest you to explore the beautiful cities of Sirmione, Bardolino, and Malcesine. When in Malcesine, you can also hop on the cable car to make sure to enjoy an amazing view of the city and the surrounding countryside from above. Alternatively, if you prefer to relax, you can even just take a boat cruise and enjoy the beautiful view of the city from there. Speaking of beauty, let's talk about food. Immerse yourself in the culinary delights of the region with dishes such as the risotto ai frutti di mare, so seafood risotto, or the filetto di lavarello, freshwater white fish. After any meal, make sure to try the refreshing limoncello, the perfect digestive made the Italian way. Moving on, if you're looking for more glamorous and relaxing vibes, we really suggest you to pick Lake Como as your day trip destination. Located just 1 hour away from Milan by train, Lake Como is famous for its natural beauties and luxurious atmosphere. This very famous Italian destination has captivated travelers for centuries, with its majestic villas located all around the lake and owned by VIPs from all over the world. One among all, George Clooney, for example. Once there, make sure to visit the town of Bellagio, also called the Pearl of Lake Como, and Varenna, renowned for its pastel-colored houses. I also recommend you not to miss the exquisite architecture of the Villa del Valbianello. You can book a guided tour, it lasts around 45 minutes and the price is just €4 and it also includes access to the gardens. As you explore the beauties of Lake Como, make sure to taste some local specialties as well. The risotto al pesce persico, so risotto with local perch, is one of the must-try. Or during winter, you need to absolutely try the polenta unica, which is polenta with melted butter and cheese. But one of my absolutely favorite dishes are the pizzoccheri. These are flat, back-wet noodles cooked with cabbage, potatoes, and casera cheese, then layered in a pan and baked until the surface is crispy and golden. You really have to try them, they're amazing. And last but not least, let's talk about another hidden gem of the north of Italy, Cremona. Located just over an hour by train from Milan, Cremona is also called the City of Violins and renowned worldwide for its rich musical heritage. Once there, make sure to visit the Museo del Violino, which is a tribute to the art of violin making, where you're going to be able to learn more about the complex craftsmanship behind these amazing instruments. In the museum, you're also going to be able to see violins crafted by very famous luthiers, such as, for example, Antonio Stradivari, some of which are still used nowadays to enchant audiences worldwide. After the musical immersion, of course, it's time for some physical activity. You can visit the Torrazzo, Italy's tallest brick bell tower. As you climb the steps, be ready to embark on a journey through time and get ready to enjoy the amazing view once on the top. Of course, no trip to Cremona is complete without trying the local food. As a little sweet snack, you can try the torrone, which is a sweet treat made with honey, sugar, and toasted nuts. For a savory experience, try the tortelli cremonesi, which is a traditional pasta filled with a rich meat mixture. And of course, don't forget to leave room for dessert. You should try la sbrisolona, which is a crumbly cake made with flour, sugar, almonds, and butter. It's definitely a must-try, trust me. And with that, our journey through the top 5 day trips destinations from Milan comes to an end. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, these destinations really have something to offer to everyone. So pack up your bags and get ready to discover these gems of the north of Italy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, comment it, or just share it with your friends. Also, I recommend you to take a look at our complete guide on how to use public transport in Italy and be able to move like a local. There, you're gonna find a lot of tips and tricks that are gonna be very useful when planning your day trips around Italy. Ciao, see you next time!